guys, Miss Charlie here with the June 2019 Birchbox. This is a $10 monthly subscription. You get 4 to 5 items. Sometimes they send you some extra items per month. Cancel whenever you like. I'll leave the link below if it's something you would be interested in, but you mostly get sample size products to try out. Some of them are full size depending on what the product is, like a lip balm or something like that, but most of the time it is a sample size. But this is a good deal for $10 just to try out brands that you may have never heard of or anything like that. And again, you can cancel anytime you like. Not affiliate, but the link is below if you like to try it out. So we're going to go ahead and get into this month's box. And this month's box is very colorful. And usually the box top comes off. This one, there's a drawer, which I think is really cute. A drawer that comes out. And you open it up. And it says, "This is not a beauty box." And then it goes into detail. Says, "Let us explain. When we started Birchbox, we set out to make the world of beauty simple. We've learned along the way that it's about so much more than that." So it gives you some information there. And there's a nice poem on the back, which I think is very nice. And then inside is another card about being good to yourself, treating yourself. And then on the back of that card, it tells us the products that we're going to look at. So let's go ahead and get started in this box. First, we're going to start with this cologne. This is from Clean, and this is the scent Rain. And it says the full size is $44. This light and renewing scent smells like fresh spring showers in a bottle with notes of water lily, daffodil, and melon. It is very floral and it is rather strong. I don't usually wear a lot of floral things, but every now and then I do. So I will just keep this, something you can pop in your purse or whatever and go. And it's a very bold fragrance, so you won't need a lot. I have had something from Clean before that I really liked, which was a little bit more clean smelling. This one is more floral, so if you like those type of scents, you might like this. But we did get this nice sample from Clean. Next, I have this Too Cool for School all-in-one egg mellow cream 5-in-1 firming moisturizer. Full size is $36. It says it is a multitasking egg-infused face cream that works as a serum, moisturizer, neck cream, eye cream, and overnight mask to visibly plump and hydrate in one step. So it is just, it's like yellow cream. Absorbs nicely. It's a little tacky, and it smells, it has a really light lotiony smell. And this is a Korean beauty brand I've heard of. Too Cool for School. I believe they sell them at Sephora, but I've wanted to try some of their stuff, so I will try this moisturizer. But this is something else that came in this month's box. Next, I have this Laura Geller Baked Balance and Brighten Color Correcting Foundation in Deep, and the full size is $34. It says this silky self-adjusting foundation swirls together several pigments into a baked powder, creating a light, long-wearing brightness that evens out the rudest of skin tones. And it's swirled. It's got a little mirror in there, which is really cute. But for some reason, mine looks like it's been used. It looks like it's already been swirled, because this side is like nothing's been swirled, and this side looks like somebody has used it. I don't know if they have or not, but it just looks that way to me. But Maybe that's just the way they look. But we'll go ahead and pull that back a little bit. That's the color. I don't know if that's gonna suit me. That's not so bad. It's a light powder, so I could use it probably too as like a light finishing powder. But this is the Baked Balance and Brighten Foundation in Deep from Laura Geller. Next we have another Luxie brush. And this is the Luxie 239 brush, the Precision Shader Rose Gold brush. It has a rose gold ferrule, and this is what it looks like. It's kind of a pointed tip. It'll be a nice shader brush. It's a nice size. But when you get these all the time in like BoxyCharm or whatnot, but do get them every now and again in the Birchbox. But here's another brush from Luxie, and the retail for this is $14. Pinky Lux Latte Kitten Eyeshadow in Frothy. The full size is $25. It says it's a highly pigmented shimmery champagne shadow that feels velvety on the skin, blends into eyelids with your, your included brush. This came broken. I'm gonna open it slowly. And that's what it looks like. I can depot this and put it in something else. But that's what it looks like, and I'll swatch it for you. It's just a nice champagne color you can use every day. But yeah, she came a little beat up, but that's okay. It's just a little single. We can put this in another container, it's fine. But this was from Winky Lux, and the color is Frothy. The packaging is so cute. It's reflective. It's so cute. It's got flowers and little coffees on it. But that was from Winky Lux. What I got in my June 2019 Birchbox. Again, it's $10 per month. The link will be below if you'd like to try it out. Cancel at any time. Again, not affiliated, but I got a few items that I will be checking out. The cologne again is very floral, but every now and again I do wear a floral scent. The eyeshadow I will just depot, it's fine. The brush, I have plenty of brushes, so that'll probably go in a giveaway. The Laura Geller I will try. Of course I will use the moisturizer, and I will probably try the hair product from Orbe. But thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe. Make sure to follow on Instagram as well. If there's any looks you'd like for me to do with certain palettes or whatnot, please let me know. I will do my best. Any other videos that you'd like to see, please let me know in the comments. Appreciate you again. Thanks so much for watching. And like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye.